Hey, this is Rahul Jain and I'm showcasing you Samsung Level U2 Bluetooth in-ear wireless stereo handset with mic. Doing bit of an unboxing, it comes with extra rubber and product is very lightweight, just 42 grams. And it is powered to give you 13 hours of talk time. If you listen music, you can play it for 18 hours. 500 hours of standby. And it's very comfortable on the neck. So this comes with the quick start guide. So let's explore this Samsung Level U2. So there is a power switch which is there. Then comes your volume plus minus. And then comes your call pickup. This is a magnetic area. It's a type C charging port. There's a small microphone here. This comes with the branding of Samsung Level. Connecting to mobile device is very easy using a multifunction button. This is the multifunction button. This is the area which gives the vibration feedback. This handset can be connected to two different devices simultaneously. So before using this, charge it with the original charger of Samsung, and it's a C-type charger. When this is put to charging, the handset is off. When this is charging, the light turns red, and once this is charged, the light turns blue, and it's ready to use now. I have turned the Bluetooth on using the switch. And the Bluetooth is searching. So I am turning the Bluetooth on. This light is blinking as if this is searching the Bluetooth. I am pairing it. Pair, and it's connected to use. Post any question and I'll be very happy to answer it for you. And thanks for subscribing to my channel. Bye bye.